Continuing my journey to honor my mom by visiting the places she wanted to see, I spent time in one of the most peaceful and breathtaking places in the country. Great Smoky Mountains National Park. My first stop was the Laurel Falls Trail. This trail leads to one of the park's most popular waterfalls, cascading gracefully through the forest. The sound of rushing water and the quiet of the trees made it the perfect place to begin, a gentle introduction to the beauty of the Smokies. From there, I made my way to Cades Cove, a broad, open valley surrounded by mountains. Cades Cove feels like stepping back in time, with historic cabins, churches, and open fields where wildlife often roams. While there, I hiked the Abrams Falls Trail, which leads to a powerful waterfall known not for its height, but for the strength of the water rushing through it. Next, I headed to the Rainbow Falls Trail, home to the tallest waterfall in the park. The climb is steady and challenging, but reaching the falls is worth every step. On sunny days, mist from the water can form a rainbow, a quiet reminder of how nature rewards patience and effort. I then continued to the Trillium Gap Trail, which leads to the unique Grotto Falls. This is one of the few waterfalls in the park you can actually walk behind. Standing there with water pouring down in front of me felt peaceful and grounding, like the world slowing down for a moment. My journey through the Smokies ended at the Alum Cave Trail, a long and rewarding hike that climbs to the summit of Mount LeConte. Reaching the top, surrounded by clouds and mountain air, felt like standing above everything, quiet, reflective, and deeply meaningful. This time in the Smoky Mountains wasn't just about waterfalls or trails. It was about slowing down, breathing deeply, and honoring my mom in a place filled with beauty, peace, and timelessness. Every step, every overlook, and every sound of rushing water felt like a reminder that some journeys aren't meant to be rushed, they're meant to be felt. Enjoy a brief collection of my favorite sights and views of the park. Thanks again for checking out another one of my adventures honoring my mom.